All right, so this is the Honing Guide Pro, and it was sent to me by the manufacturer for us to check out today. I've got one of my old wood chisels here, and this is what we're going to utilize to test this out. So we'll go ahead and get the guide here. It's really easy, simple to use, has a nice little smooth roller here on the bottom to ensure everything slides and guides easily. You can adjust this here. As you can see, it goes pretty wide, so it's going to be able to take in pretty much any chisel that you need. And then the same thing, it will also guide back down to take in some of those smaller chisels. The chisel that we're going to be utilizing today is 1 inch. So we'll go ahead and get it in there. And then it does provide measurements on the back of here in regards to what angle you're going for and how many inches you should have on there. I'm just going to do this the old-fashioned way and kind of keep this loose and then slide it on there until it's nice and flush. And once I feel that it's nice and flush, I will tighten this up. All right. All right, and then from that point there, you just use the guide on your whetstone here. All right, that should be good. Looks like it's nice and sharp now. And we'll loosen this up. And it says after you do that, it should be sharp enough to cut some paper. Oh, yep, right there. That bad boy is super sharp. So if you're looking for something to make it a lot easier to guide your chisel onto your whetstone, definitely going to need to check this out right here.